Yo guys, look at this. This is the Pokemon Go Spoofer. Today I'm going to show you guys how to download the Pokemon Go Spoofer for iOS and Android, guys. So as you can see, we got all the settings in here. We got the joystick. We have so much to do in here. We have enhanced throw. Enhanced throw is 100% catch rate. We can teleport. We have our speed hack. We could set like crazy speed. And now let's go back into the game. But before we can do that, we need to turn on the joystick. To be honest, I don't know where that is, but let's look for it. So let's see if we can find it. All right, where is it? I guess they don't have it. I don't know how to do this really, but there's so many options in this spoofer, guys. It is crazy. So as you can see, some of this stuff costs money, I guess, like recycle bin. But I swear there was more features. I don't know where they are. But here's a map. This is super cool. So this is like a map of where you are, and I guess you can teleport. Look at that. Bang! I just teleported, guys. That is crazy. Now, of course, we have this thing here. I don't know what that does. But then we have this thing, a number of Pokestops, I guess. So you can get free items at the Pokestop because you can, like... Look at this. I just got tons of shit. Oh, wait. Am I full? No, my bag is not full, so I got all that crap for free. So it is pretty funny. I wish I knew how to enable the joystick. Maybe it's... Oh, shit. This is it. This is the joystick right here. So as you can see, I had changed the speed earlier, so it is going to run a little bit faster. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. I do want to show you the enhanced throw, but I don't see any Pokemon in the town right now. I guess it takes them a minute to pop up. But yeah, maybe we could do that later in the video. So anyway, guys, let's begin the download. So basically what you need to do is go to this website. I'm going to show it to you. It's called zoomods.com. They have a bunch of modded apps on this site. And one of them is the Pokemon Go Spoofer. So we're just going to type it in. We're going to go for the one at the bottom, press on it, and then it's going to start downloading. Now, before it downloads, there is a verification you have to do. It's very easy. You just have to download 2 apps, complete the instructions. They're 100% for free. They're from the official App Store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to go ahead and download here, as you can see. So yeah, it's super cool, guys. So we're just going to let it download. All right, so here it is. So it's done downloading. Obviously I've already installed it, but you can see it says please install 2 free apps to automatically install. Additional files are required for the mod to run. So it's going to be around 4 of these apps. Just make sure you download 2 of them and complete the instructions. I am in the US, so if you're in another country, you're going to have different ones. Just press tap to install. It's going to bring you to the Play Store. And as you can see, it's like download, install, register, valid info, download, install, play 4 games for 5 minutes each. So they all have different instructions. Make sure you're reading those. And then you'll get the spoofer, guys. So it is so insane. I wish the Pokemon would come up, though, so I could show you. Maybe I could do the map thing again. Let's go. So I'm going to go over here, press teleport, and let's see if we get some Pokemon now, so I can show you the enhanced throw. I don't know. They might not come up, but it's a really cool spoofer, guys, if you like Pokemon Go. I mean, there's so many options in this thing. It's crazy. And I mean, just being able to walk with the joystick. Oh, shit, there's some Pokemon. All right, so we'll just say don't allow. And look at this. So I think I have enhanced throw on. Let's see. I don't know what to do. Where is it? Okay, here we go. So we have it on. We'll just do excellent, okay? So now I throw the ball. I didn't do a good job. And look, it caught the Pokemon, guys. So this actually works. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But be sure to subscribe and peace out, bro.